Lights out and away we go! All right, folks. What? Lexi's right there. You can come in if you want to. Okay, so this is gonna be your I037 with the beautiful K5HL. We're at the Hayes Road, but not the usual one. We're at the Hayes Road, which is the SF something.16. She did the same thing, but it's okay. Take a look. I don't know how big he is. The rest of the gang is doing their own thing. But yeah, we can get some good flips. You're telling me we say So you're telling me we sat here for 20 minutes waiting for just that. Bro, the freaking train's gonna be shorter than the whole ass video. Goodbye. What's up, everybody? We're here waiting for M653. If I get copyright, I'm gonna show you. She says. Well, yeah, we're here waiting for the train. He should be here, and we'll get back to you when we hear the freight train. Hey, what train we watching? Yeah. Who's saying it?
What?
You say it. This is train M653.
You're already saying it. You might as well.
You should say it.
Just say it in front of it.
Train M63.
M653.
M653.
This is train
M653.
M653.
Hello, folks. Once again. A little stance.
This is train M653.
She said.
653.
No, M653.
That's what I just said. M653.
What's leading? What's leading? Is it BNSF or CSX?
CSX.
Good job. What about you? CSX or BNSF?
CSX.
Good job. I tried to prank him, but it didn't work. All right, is this an ES44 DC or SD7DXE? Or none of the above?
None of the above.
I
I
don't
don't know.
All right, here we go.
Oh. My foot. He does the Ariana Grande wave. Just.
Crew Productions out.
You were supposed to have the talk after.
Okay, well, never mind. Don't put that in there. Cut it out.
Okay, redo.
What? You have to have
Say
the
what
little
you
talk.
said. This was a little talk.
What?
So you have to talk.
What do you mean?
All right, guys, that was M653 with a 3x1 setup, which was interesting.
This is what happens when he makes people do the outro.
Yeah, I tell them.
Yeah.
All right, talk.
This is Real Fam Crew Productions
Crew.
out.
Crew.
Shut up. Real Fam Crew Productions out.
Get out the echo. Whoa. Shut up. All right, don't say it again.
In front of it.
You should say it again.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Officially, this is
Why are
Real
you so
Fam.
short?
Officially, this is a Real Fam Crew Productions out.
Really?